High school pa lamang si Pamela ay nakakilala na siya sa Panginoon. Ngunit isang matinding pangyayari ang sumubok sa pananampalataya niya at ng kanyang pamilya.
Okay. Last 2005, a situation happened that tested our family both financially and emotionally. Bali, yung father ko, nagkaroon siya ng heart enlargement and he was in coma for 3 days. And he suffered from brain damage. So, bali, ang nangyari, naging bata talaga siya.
Ano yung cause ng... Nagkaroon ng matinding karamdaman ang ama ni Pamela na lubhang nakaapekto sa estado ng kanilang pamumuhay.
And then, that time, yung bill niya nag-grant to almost 300,000. So, that time, we are financially unstable, as in zero savings talaga. Pero still, God provided for our resources and He sustained our family. In fact, there was never a time that we have to stop our schooling.
Pero sa tulong ng mga kamag-anak, napunan ang mga hospital bills ng amang may karamdaman.
So may mga kamag-anak kami na tumulong. So may mga uncle ako na tumulong. Even yung side ng mother ko, tumulong sila.
Nakalagpas man sa matinding pagsubok pinansyal, panibagong hamon ang dumating taong 2012. Muling sinubok ang pananalig ni Pamela.
And then, in 2012, another financial breakdown struck our family. So, it even forced yung parents ko na mag-move out sa bahay namin sa Nueva Ecija. So, ang nangyari nun, yung mother ko, tumakas siya, nagtago siya, ganun. As in to the point na yung mga creditors talagang hinahabol nila kami. During that time, I was so burdened.
Ang ina na lamang ni Pamela ang tumayong breadwinner ng pamilya na nagresulta upang makaranas ito ng matinding depresyon.
My mother suffered emotional breakdown even to the point of suicidal. So during that time, I feel so burdened. So bata pa lang ako na nag-work and hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. And dumating sa point na kahit hindi ko pa sinasahod pero still computed na siya. Tapos dumating din sa point na sana hindi na lang sahod kasi ang daming naghahanap sa akin na creditor. But then God provided again for our family. So He gave me friends and mga ka-cell group and even leaders to really tap my back. So one even told me, that's your journey with God. And one day, you're gonna testify about it. And that day came today.
At hindi binigo ng Panginoon si Pamela nang magkaroon siya ng 130% increase na sahod. Maging ang kanyang buong pamilya ay labis ang naranasang pagpapala.
But God really blesses me with a lot of opportunity. In fact, recently, I was given a job opportunity with another company as a senior accountant with 130% increase in salary. But the greatest blessing that I received from God is when my family decided to be with us sa Sunday service. So, my parents and even yung sister ko, na matagal ko nang pinapapunta sa church, they attended yung anniversary ng church natin last October. So, with regards to my ministry, currently I am handling 43 people. 6 of them are leaders. I now have 3 IG, 1 CG, and 1 G12. And recently, God made a breakthrough in my ministry. We had a total of 35 first-timers in a span of 4 months during Sunday services. So throughout this journey, God made me realize a lot of things. First, to really have that optimistic attitude towards kung ano mang challenges na kinakaharap ko. And at the same time, to really have that commitment. So, syempre, that time, I need to really invest more time sa family ko, to really comfort, especially yung mother ko. But still, God really called me then sa ministry. So, that time, I really need to focus in building my strong 12 and in building yung solid talaga na grupo ko. And that time then, yun yung time na nag-start pa lang ako sa career ko. Syempre, marami akong pressure na kinaharap, marami akong kailangang patunayan. But still, God really provided strength and wisdom sa akin. So, I just take to heart yung life verse ko. That's Matthew 6:33. Seek first the kingdom of God and His righteousness, and all these things shall be added unto you. And indeed, God added a lot of favor in my life.
Because I seek Him first.
I am Pamela Lozano, 144 of Pastora Geraldine Valiano, a senior accountant, a breadwinner, and a proud G12 leader.
Ang ganda